So, guys, I'm discussing five moving average strategy with you. Very simple and very effective strategy. I have used it for many years. What you have to do, you have to select moving average from the indicator and then choose five moving average in that. And the black color line you see here is five moving average. And I am using this super trend indicator also here. The reason to use this, I don't use this for trading purpose, just to see where market is heading. You can use other indicators also if you have. So somewhere around 9:45 we got confirmation that market is going downside. Here, what you have to do, as soon as the market started giving downside indication, here I've been using super trend. You can use other indicators if you are using. So here the trade will enter. You will enter in a trade, and what we have to see is these candles, these price action candles, they will go closely with the five moving average. As you can see, they will go very closely with five moving average. You will exit the trade, listen to this carefully, you will exit the trade when you see opposite side green candle. The green candle is opposite side. Yeah, we are going downside. So whenever you see a green full bodied candle above this five moving average, then you will exit the trade. Here you can see this candle, this has not left five moving average. This has not left five moving average. So if there was another full bodied candle, green color, because we are taking a downside trade here, PE, we are buying PE. If you get a full bodied green color candle, then you will leave. You can see the whole time there was not even one green candle full bodied, which we are considering as our indicator to exit till here. It was here, but it was under. Under is okay. Above will not. This is doji. This is not full bodied. Yeah. Again, what a trade, guys. What a trade. Here you see full bodied, somewhat full bodied. This much you can consider. It should not be doji candle. This much. This is, you saw this. This is the time you'll exit the trade. If you don't want to use the super trend, you don't use it as per your convenience. Whenever you see, now if you're not using super trend, when you will enter, what is the confirmation? Full bodied candle under five moving average. This is the one. Just a second. This is the one. So follow this, and let me show you the script I used for this trade. Somewhere around 9:40 I entered this trade and just followed the five moving average. See how beautifully you have to hold on to your trade. Don't exit. Sometimes when the pullback is coming, see somewhere here, when the pullback is coming, a lot of people release and exit the trade. Just follow the rule. Five moving average, if you're buying, this is option buying strategy, I'm telling you. Five moving average, you see the confirmation on Nifty or Bank Nifty. Indicator is there. Whenever you see, I will say use super trend indicator, it is easier. Don't trade with it, but it gives you good indication. If you have some other, don't, you can use it. Just follow this line, this black line, just follow it. As soon as you see any candle, now because we are seeing PE, as soon as you see any candle, full body candle under it, you exit.